a lot of snow today.
Yeah.
You don't need to measure it.
No.
So.
It's very small. Alright, today I'm using this very simple setup. Just a bobber, hook and 3 corn. 1, 2 and 3. Just like this. I see bubbling over there, so I'm just gonna cast it over there. 3. Alright, and now I'm going to do the same with the other fishing rod. Okay, there are very big carp right here. Can you guys see them? Oh my god. Oh, it's here, it's here. It's right here. Can you see it? Can you see it? No. But something was on.
Oh, now it's gone? Oh, your rod, your rod.
No, really? It's gone?
Yeah.
What the fuck? That was a fish. See it over there?
Was that huge fish?
Yeah.
Here.
Oh my god, can you see him? Shit.
That was actually a big fish.
Yeah, I saw. Go and take your other rod, mate. Fuck.
Went like 1 second, it was gone. If you can see it with the camera.
I'm gonna try to take back the line.
We'll let it sink because probably the whole rod went down.
But what direction did you see?
Pardon?
What direction?
Yeah, exactly in your spot.
Oh, I have something. Yeah, yeah. I have it. I have it.
You have it?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
No.
Let it sink and then. Yeah. Yeah.
Ah, because there is the fish on as well. Fuck.
Don't move the line.
Lucky everything is recorded. Okay. Okay.
Oh
my
that's a really
God.
good one.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, oh, oh.
Still on?
Yeah. Fuck, and now it's entangled over here. Can you take this one here? Okay, I think it's... Oh yeah, this one is free. Alright, fish on, guys.
You need a grab one.
Yeah. Thank you, mate. That was quick.
Yeah.
Nice one. I'm barely hooked as well. It's a fat guy. That's a nice one. Not a huge one, but wow. Pull the rod in.
Like really hard.
Yeah.
So it should be a big one.
Hey, hey. Yeah, no, from the other side, from the other side. From under. Oh. No, just from under. No. Just like this. Fuck, on the rocks is not the best way. Bread. Bread with the corn inside. The guy told no catch today. He caught one in 10 minutes. First cast, actually. First cast over there. Oh my god, look at this beast.
And a big one.
You wanna kill yourself. I mean, you're gonna die anyway. But not today. It's mine? No.
I'll probably get the other
Yeah,
rod.
you should. Okay, I'm gonna get my measure and take a picture. There. So she's 51.
Bigger than last time?
Yeah, bigger than the one of yesterday. Nice catch. Right. Oh, where is my bobber? My bobber was gone.
It's going now. Or was it you?
Oh, it was gone because I saw the line.
Yeah.
Oh, I felt it.
Was it a bite?
Yeah, I felt it for a few seconds, but then gone.
That's the worst feeling.
Yeah.
Not a single bite, yeah?
No. Oh yeah, now. Right now. I thought Ray was pushing the...
With that,
Yeah, no, I saw it. Finest one ever. Oh, look. Yeah.
Fantastic. That's a good sign.
Yeah, not bad.
Oh, you caught one?
Yeah.
Wow, that's the first one I've ever seen anyone catch anything. Ever.
Not a good sign.
Ever. That's a nasty carp. Never got anything in before.
Yeah.
It's like a redfin.
No, it's a carp. It's a carp. Yeah, little carp. Yeah.
Oh, good.
3 more than the one before. Look.
They're getting bigger.
Yeah.
You need the net?
Yeah, probably with this one. Yeah, the one who broke the line. You want it? It's a nice one. At least 40 centimeter.
I don't know if we're gonna reach it or not.
Yes. Yeah. I can lift it up. Nice. Thank you. I'm just gonna measure it and take a picture, and then I give it to you. Oh, sorry. Okay. How did I put it? Oh, yeah. That's a nice one.
34.
40.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, almost 40. Hey, stop moving around.
Take it. You put bread?
Yeah, bread and corn.
Oh, together.
I have one with bread and one with corn, so I don't know which one was.
Bread?
Yeah,
Oh, this is huge.
it's a good fighter. It's a mirror carp. Nice one. Really came back. Oh, I lift it up a bit. Can you? Yeah, it's in. Nice, thank you. Whew. Another nice one. Wow, that's a wow. That's very nice, actually. You want it?
No.
You eat it? No.
You eat it or you... Oh, let me have it.
Okay, yeah, sure. I just take a quick picture and I give it to you.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't like carp, so I don't eat them. But I like to catch them.
Why not?
44.
That's a big one.
Yeah, that's nice. Voila.
Beauty.
Oh, I think the line is alright.
Got it?
No worries. It's moving the bobber. It's moving it. It's taking it. It has it. It has it. It has it. And we have it. Nice one. Let's see if I can lift this monster up. I have a feeling that the line is gonna break apart. Alright, I don't know how am I gonna keep this fish out of the water. Oh my god. Okay. How am I gonna do that? Let's see if we can lift it up with the rod without breaking the fishing rod. That's a nice one, guys. That's a really nice one. I don't know how much you were able to see before. That's a good one. At least 40 centimeters or something. Let's measure it. I'll take a quick picture. He is 49 centimeters. 49, 50.